Welcome to Azenta Limfinity Biobanking LIMS. In this video, we will be showing you how to search for samples, generate an Explorer and General report to CSV, and how to take a couple of actions on those samples. In the system, searching through Advanced Search allows you to add many conditions to your search. Using this magnifying glass, you can select Sample Related and Sample to search for samples in the system. You can then use the drop-down for New Condition to add a specific condition into your search. Standard fields and workflow states is a good condition to start with. I want to find samples that are in a state of stored. When I select Search Now, any samples that currently have the workflow state of stored will show up in my results. Now I would like to narrow my search down to only a specific sample set. So I'm going to add this to my search conditions. I only want this to be the new drug trial. I also know that I want a volume between 3 and 8 milliliters. So I'm also going to add those to my search conditions. Now when I select Search, my list will be filtered to a smaller number of samples. From here, I can choose to do several things with this list of samples. I can generate a General report or an Explorer report. The General report will export the list of samples to a CSV, including all of the fields that are currently shown on the screen and other fields that are available for the sample. I can also generate the Explorer report, which only contains the fields that are on this view of the sample. From here, I can also take several other actions on these samples, such as selecting a group of them, initiating a transfer to transfer chain of custody, starting a new request for work, raising a discrepancy on these samples, printing labels for one or a selection of samples, and editing the samples. When I edit the samples, I'm able to change various things about the sample, including the expiration date, the collection container, the volume, and the sample owner. When edits are made to samples, the user is required to enter comment into the audit log. The audit log comment will be recorded in the audit record to show who and why changes were made to samples.